What if you could control your phone, computer, or even a robot just by thinking? What if a tiny chip inside your brain could help people communicate, move devices, and interact with technology faster than ever before? This is the vision behind Neuralink 4.0, the latest generation of brain-computer interface technology being developed by Elon Musk's Neuralink. Today, we're focusing exclusively on the features that make Neuralink 4.0 one of the most advanced brain technologies ever created. Let's dive in. Feature 1. Ultra-fast brain signal processing. One of the biggest upgrades in Neuralink 4.0 is its ability to process brain signals much faster. The chip is designed to capture and interpret neural activity with greater speed and accuracy than previous versions. This means users can send commands to computers more naturally, with less delay and smoother performance. The faster the chip understands brain activity, the more responsive the entire system becomes. Feature 2. Increased neural data collection. Neuralink 4.0 is expected to monitor more brain signals simultaneously. Earlier brain-computer interfaces could only read a limited number of signals. The new generation aims to collect information from many more neurons at once. This increased data collection allows the system to better understand a user's intentions and thoughts. As a result, control becomes more accurate and reliable. Feature 3. Improved wireless connectivity. No one wants cables coming out of their head. That's why Neuralink 4.0 focuses heavily on wireless communication. The chip can transmit brain data wirelessly to external devices. Users can connect to computers, tablets, smartphones, and other digital systems without physical wires. This creates a more comfortable and practical experience for everyday use. Feature 4. Enhanced precision. A major feature of Neuralink 4.0 is improved precision. The system can identify neural patterns more accurately than before. This allows users to perform detailed tasks such as moving a cursor, selecting icons, typing messages, navigating software, controlling digital tools. The goal is to make thought-based control feel as natural as using your hands. Feature 5. Tiny flexible neural threads. Neuralink uses extremely thin threads that are much smaller than a human hair. These flexible threads are designed to interact with brain tissue while minimizing damage. Neuralink 4.0 continues improving this technology with better durability and signal quality. The threads help the chip capture neural activity more effectively. Feature 6. Longer battery life. Power efficiency is a critical feature. Neuralink 4.0 is designed to consume less energy while delivering greater performance. This allows the implant to operate for longer periods between charging sessions. A more efficient battery means greater convenience for users and improved reliability. Feature 7. Real-time thought control. One of the most exciting features is real-time control. Users can send commands directly from their thoughts to connected devices. Instead of speaking or typing, the brain becomes the controller. The system works by translating neural activity into digital instructions. This feature could transform how humans interact with technology. Feature 8. Advanced AI integration. Neuralink 4.0 is expected to use advanced artificial intelligence systems to interpret brain signals. AI algorithms help recognize patterns in neural activity. The more the system learns about a user's brain signals, the more accurate it becomes. This creates a personalized experience where performance improves over time. Feature 9. Communication assistance. The chip is being developed to assist individuals who have difficulty speaking or communicating. By detecting speech-related neural activity, the system may help convert intended words into digital communication. This feature could dramatically improve communication for people with severe physical limitations. Feature 10. Device ecosystem compatibility. Neuralink 4.0 is designed to work with multiple technologies. Potential compatibility includes computers, smartphones, smart home systems, assistive devices, robotic systems. This broad compatibility allows users to interact with many different technologies through a single interface. Feature 11. Scalable design. Neuralink 4.0 is built with future expansion in mind. The architecture is designed to support future software updates, improved algorithms, and additional capabilities. This means the technology can continue evolving without requiring an entirely new system every time improvements are made. Feature 12. Robotic implantation support. A unique feature of Neuralink is its robotic implantation system. Specialized surgical robots can place the tiny threads with incredible precision. This level of accuracy is difficult to achieve manually. The robotic approach helps maximize performance and consistency. Feature 13. Higher signal accuracy. One of the most important improvements expected in Neuralink 4.0 is higher signal accuracy. The human brain contains approximately 86 billion neurons. Every second, these neurons generate electrical signals that carry information related to movement, memory, emotions, vision, and decision-making. Previous brain-computer interfaces could only capture a small portion of these signals. Neuralink 4.0 aims to improve the quality of signal detection significantly. This means the system can better distinguish between different thoughts and intentions. For example, instead of simply detecting that a user wants to move a cursor, future versions may understand more complex commands such as selecting specific applications, opening files, or performing multiple actions simultaneously. Greater accuracy creates a smoother and more natural user experience. Feature 14. Reduced latency. Latency refers to the delay between a user's thought and the system's response. In traditional technology, delays are usually measured in milliseconds. Although these delays seem tiny, they become noticeable during real-time interactions. Neuralink 4.0 is designed to minimize this delay. The goal is to create near-instant communication between the brain and connected devices. Imagine thinking about opening a document and seeing it open immediately. Imagine controlling a robotic arm with movements that feel completely natural. Lower latency is essential for creating a seamless connection between humans and machines. Feature 15. Smart learning algorithms. Neuralink 4.0 is expected to become smarter over time. The system can learn from a user's neural patterns and adapt accordingly. Why these features matter? Together, these features create a brain-computer interface that is faster, smarter, more accurate, and more practical than previous generations. Neuralink 4.0 is not just about connecting a brain to a computer. It's about creating a seamless connection between human thought and digital technology. Each upgrade brings the technology closer to real-world applications that could transform communication, accessibility, and human-computer interaction. Neuralink 4.0 introduces some of the most advanced features ever seen in brain-computer interface technology. From ultra-fast signal processing and AI-powered interpretation to wireless connectivity and real-time thought control, every feature is designed to make the connection between humans and machines more powerful. As development continues, Neuralink 4.0 could become a major milestone in the future of neuroscience and technology. The question is no longer whether brain-computer interfaces are possible. The question is how far they can go. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more future technology updates.